JP Morgan predict 600 billion Bitcoin demand. Bitcoin may have hit wall of profit takers around 19,500 according to the expert in crypto market. Right now, the price of Ethereum is 588 and the price of Bitcoin is 19,369. Is Bitcoin still have more bulls to push the price over 20,000, or are we going to see some dump until 17,000? Let's check into this video. Okay guys, welcome back to another video of Crypto Guy, which is one of your favorite YouTube channel about crypto and Bitcoin and some crypto news. So let's have a quick view on coin market cap today, and you can see that price is about 1.28% increase, and that's the market is greening a bit. We still have some reds XRP. I mean, people was holding for like over 2 years, and now there has been a pump, and now we are still going back under the spot line. Litecoin is doing very well in the past few days and weeks. Chainlink, ADA, Polkadot, and Stellar. If you want to invest some good coins, these are always there. Whenever there is a dip, you can always invest something. If you have already invested in Bitcoin and Ethereum, but if you don't have a Bitcoin and Ethereum first, I think first you already need to have 80% of at least Bitcoin in your portfolio and 10 to 15% Ethereum, and then you can invest in this kind of coins. And after that, you can also go for some coins with low market cap like Polka Starter maybe, and Mantra DAO, and Uniswap probably. But yeah, so let's go for some technical analysis on Bitcoin as well. Okay guys, so here we have Bitcoin US dollar 1-day chart, and if we can see that here that Bitcoin have pushed up before about 19,400, and then it came back a little bit from 19,500 to again dip down the 20 weekly moving average, but bulls was strong and we get back bought up very quickly, and now we're just rising steadily, not so much heavily but steadily going up. And now we have a very high resistance around 19,400, 19,500. I think in the near future we have to watch this 19,500, and if we can able to break that one, we can go to 20,000, and if we can able to 20,200, then the next stop will be 21,500, 21,300. These are the short-term targets of Bitcoin. Bullish target at the moment, there definitely we can have a push up. Fundamentals are strong, bull market is strong at the moment, and this was the very good entry point for some guys. I told you guys that whenever on 4-hour chart, when the Bitcoin come and hit this 20 weekly moving, and we have perfectly hit, we go up, it was a fake up, we come down and we hit again, and now we are going up. And if you go and see in the history of Bitcoin, it always do the same thing, like touch, go up, touch, go up. We just go sideways on 20 weekly move, we break it down, we come back, and we then push it up. So now we are just around the corner, and Bitcoin still have very more bulls here. I think I'm still confident that Bitcoin can easily go and touch 20,000, but if we have fell from again 20,000, that can be a big correction. And I think if we have some bearish target on 4-hour chart, it would be 18,850, then 18,600, and then definitely 17,800. But on 1-day chart, if we go and see, I think we can easily come and touch 18,500 at near future. And if we go and talk about 4 hour, we already have check. If we go and see 3 hours, we're already up. So if you want to see that if Bitcoin or Ethereum is in bullish territory or not, it's easy to just check 2 hour and 1 hour. And if you find yourself above 20 weekly moving average, it's mean that we are in bull run, and that bull run has already been started and market is bullish. So unless we don't break this 19,200, so in that very short period of time, if you say that the bearish target will be 19,200 and bullish target will be 19,500, so we have to see this 2-1, and definitely if we go above this point, we can always trade. If it go up 19,500, we can easily trade until 20,000, and if we break 19,200, it can even fell down up to 19,000 or 18,800. So keep an eyes on this target and trade safely. Okay, so here we have Ethereum US dollar 4-hour chart, and we can switch to 1 day. Okay, let's go and check on 1 week. Let's zoom out a bit, and here you can see that Ethereum is bullish. Ethereum is bullish as hell since beginning. I mean, on weekly chart, the price of should be 450, but we already been up, so it's very bullish on weekly chart. That's a good point. Let's go on daily chart, and here you can see that we are just touching 20 weekly moving average, and until we are not below this 20 weekly moving average, we are still in bullish territory. And this is 565 is the line we have to see. If this Ethereum not able to support this line, definitely we going in a bearish trend for a while. 4 hour we have just 2 touchdown, and hopefully we will not have a third touchdown, because if whenever we have a third touchdown it can go down. Here you can see that we have 2 touchdowns and we go up. So right now indicators are saying that there is a still bull run, and we can easily go until 600 or 610 on 4 hour chart. And if we go and see on 3 hour chart, it also looks bullish. Let's go directly to the 1 hour chart. We are just hanging below the thread to make a difference. We have to be on above 1 hour chart to be make it bullish. So if we go above, it's bullish, and if we go down, it's bearish. But I think we still have some time, and in the meanwhile the latest will be 600, and then will be 620 for the bullish. And if you go on 4 hour chart, I will say that in the bearish one is 580. So we have to keep an eyes on this 600 or 580. And once it's break, then I can definitely update in my next video what will be the next bearish and bullish target. At this moment is 580, and the bearish and the bullish one is 600 and 620 after that. So definitely there would be a good re-entry point for leverage trading as well. Okay, so here we have some crypto news, and I would like to start with this news. JP Morgan predicts 600 billion Bitcoin demand in the future. The bank said that even 1% of asset allocation by large financial companies would result in 0.6 trillion Bitcoin demand. Oh my god, I mean, this news is bullish. It's too bullish. I mean, JP Morgan, everybody knows about that. At JP Morgan, there was a time when JP Morgan was bearish and did not like Bitcoin at all, and now they are investing, they are buying, and even they are giving reviews on Bitcoin. I told you guys that's what's gonna happen. Bitcoin price is becoming steady about 19,000 because of this institutional money, and as soon as it will come, it will go more. Bitcoin and gold, and even I think there was one more news that gold will suffer only because of Bitcoin. So that's it, guys. You have to buy. I mean, you can just put all your extra saving in Bitcoin, and definitely you will be thankful to me and to your children, to you, after a couple of years. Okay, so the next news is the Bitcoin may have hit wall of profit takers around 19,500 according to the analyst. And that's what I told you guys, because everybody who bought the Bitcoin below 19,500 or below 20,000, everybody is in profit. Even you, I mean, if you bought like 1 year ago, you are in profit. Even if you bought in 6 months ago, you are in profit. If you bought in 1 month ago, you are in profit, and people are taking profit. So this is totally normal. 19,500 to 19,000. That's what I exactly said in my Bitcoin technical analysis, that we have to see these two support and resistance line. If we able to break 19,400, 500, we are going up until 20,000. And if on the other side we have to see on 19,000, if we go down, okay, we are going down. But if we have a rebound, this means we are still bullish. So these are the two lines we have to be very keep an eye on that as well. Okay, so let's go and have a quick review on my Twitter as well. I do once a week, like also go on Twitter and read the tweeters, tweet comments about other people. Bitcoin 3-day open is going up. Excuse my French. BTC, what just happened? I mean, we just go up and then we're going back. I mean, if I go and see that it's going up and then it wasn't long enough, what will be your top 21 topic for 2021? I think it's the same for 19 and 20. Well, $30,000 for simulator. Wow, that's nice. Somebody's enjoying the profit. As I told you guys, people are taking profit. They are enjoying. They are buying the car. They are buying the stuff. They are buying simulators. Okay, that's another good news for some people, like Pornhub now accepting crypto only. No need. So this is bullish. This is bullish. I mean, now Bitcoin. First, there was a time that they only talk about that Bitcoin is for criminal, and now all the big companies and big websites are accepting it. Here you can say that Grayscale Trust, they are just accumulating Bitcoin as much as they can, and they are also Litecoin. They have a big Stellar Lumens, XRP, Zcash, Ethereum Classic even. So guys, spend your money wisely. This is not the money you are buying for yourself. This is the money you are buying for your children and your for future as well. I think that's all for today. Keep safe. Buy Bitcoin. Be keep trading, and don't remember that JP Morgan is also predicting that Bitcoin is going to the moon. So until that, take care and bye bye.